So we have had an absolutely insane time in Cannes. Beautiful city, the rodeo drive of the south of France. But now it's time for a little trip. All right, here we go. Day trip to Italy. Gotta go to the homeland, you know what I'm saying? Got the rental right here. We got the homie Satya taking the first leg right now. Oh yeah, who's in the back? Kev, shut up P. What up? Let's go. Is crazy. All right, there's nowhere to park, so we're off to Monaco. This is insane, dude. This looks crazy. Get it. This is nuts, bro. I've never seen anything like this before. This landscape. Oh my god, there's a huge marina down there. Oh, little space invader. Hey, buddy. I found him. I gotta get a little shot of him. Alright, we tried to go to Ez. Festival is happening. There was no parking anywhere. So here we are. Monaco. Absolutely crazy. I've never seen anything like this. Cannes to Monaco to Italy. Crazy. Just had one of the most amazing meals. Le Monde. Had the octopus. Had the first Red Bull they said they served in 10 years. And some delicious olive oil, fresh cut. Let's shoot some film. Man, eating good out here, but take a look at this view, yo. It's absolutely insane. Switching over to this bad boy. Alright, so I had to bring the Pentax 6.7 medium format with me. I think this is definitely going to be worth it. Like a million things to shoot. What do I shoot? No. Can't even believe what I'm seeing through my viewfinder right now. Alright, time to switch a lens. So I was taking those shots with a 165. Gotta switch over to the 55. This heat wave is fucking real, y'all. Like, it's one thing for them to be talking about it on the news and everything. Heat wave. But to feel it cooking you, I'm being cooked alive, man. I feel like I'm the fucking octopus I just ate. Cooked, bro. Crispy. Crazy. What in the fuck, bro? What in the fuck? Where the fuck are we right now? Got her. Alright. Until next time, Monaco. Wow. Finally shot a bunch of film. I could stay here all day. But we gotta go. see you in Italy. We are on Italian soil. All right, y'all. We're at the Venice beach of Italy. Ventimiglia. I can't believe it. I'm in Italy.
Poi la pista è bella, ma di là poi c'è meno rumore per dormire.
This is crazy. This is unbelievable. Talked about coming to Italy, someplace I've always wanted to visit, but to actually be here, some random city, it's just special. So I would say to anybody out there, if you've always wanted to travel, hold on, you gotta look at that shit real quick. You know, get distracted. I gotta stop and take shots and this is just unbelievable. But this building behind me is beautiful. I'm gonna take a picture.
Hey.
Hi.
Where are you now?
Now we're in Italy.
Oh, awesome. Beautiful. Wow.
My vlog's gonna be epic.
Have fun.
All right. How do you say goodbye in Italian? Ciao?
You say ciao.
All right. Ciao.
Ciao.
Just me. Walking the streets of Italy. Snapping. Got the M7. Big boy. Pentax 6.7. Getting lots of looks. That's what we do. This place is crazy, man. You know, you get to places like this in the streets that have character and real people living their lives. It's just special. It feels like something. So if you've always wanted to go somewhere, you don't think you have the time, or you don't think you have the money, or whatever the reason or excuse is, just do it. Just do it. You'll figure out the rest of it later, you know? She's staring at me funny. This is the way. This is the way to get the engagement, get people following my work. Hey, I want people to see what I do, so shit, this is crazy. All right, check this out. Look at where the fuck I'm at. Are you joking me? Wow. Ventimiglia. This is where it's at. I'm gonna snap off these last few shots of film. We head back to Cannes tonight. Tomorrow back to LA. Don't know how I feel about that, but it is what it is. I hope you guys have enjoyed this trip. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. Peace.